With the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear student friend follower, today I'd like to discuss about coronavirus. This coronavirus is really very dangerous. People across the world, they're making hue and cry. And you know that it has broken a lot of economies. People are in 6 and 7 across the world, but you will still listen some people, they are saying that coronavirus is nothing. But you know what is truth? Coronavirus has its existence. You accept or not. You are sitting here in a village, you even talking to the people, they even fed up making research to find its proper solution, still they couldn't find. Still there is no proper vaccinations or kind of medicines. You have to just do some protections. You have to do some personal protections. These are some precautions you have to take. Now I will let you know what is the structure of this virus. If you see over here on whiteboard, you see here is a spike. So here is a spike proteins. So these are just like you see that it's just like a needle. So these are the spike protein. And then we have here shell. There is a shell as well, and inside this structure you find there is RNA. Once it is a complete structure, this virus, believe me, this virus is very dangerous. But be sure, God Almighty has infused in your body protective system. Defensive system is there in your body. You yourself make it weak. So how you are going to make it weak? By spending sleepless night, day night, you working, not caring about your health. You are all the day working. You are eating junk foods, you are eating pizzas, you are eating burger, you are eating bakery things. You are even taking a lot of refined sugars. You are taking tension, you are taking depressions, you are stuffing your mind with useless things. So all these things make reduce your immunity system. Today I will let you know how we can increase our immunity system. I will let you know about all these things. So first of all, let me teach you what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is just like it's having some spike proteins, and then there is a shell, and then the inner place we've got RNA. Once in a complete structure, it's very dangerous. It can even kill people. It will kill your inner systems, and you even don't know what is happening inside you. So there are some stages as well. The first stage, you will be getting fever, and then ultimately it will take you towards coughings, and ultimately your throat system totally blocked. Even you are unable to breathe in and breathe out. So what are the protections and what are protective measure we can take against this virus? First of all, if you are young enough and having good immunity system, it will be automatically broken. It is inside you, your defensive system that God Almighty has blessed, unless you have a strong immunity systems, and you need to make it more powerful. This is what your effort, how you are going to make. I will tell you some solution for this. So first of all, if you're young enough, having good immunity system, it will automatically broken, and you will be okay. Once in the broken forms, it is not going to harm you at all. But once you are going to get it checked by laboratories or like that, they will declare it positive, whether its structure has been broken or in complete forms. So it will be detective positive. But make sure once it's broken, it's not harmful. So once it's a complete form, in a complete structure, it can be very dangerous. Even you don't know what it is doing, it is going to destroy your life. You ultimately died. So what are the precautions and what are some helpful tip, especially to increase your immunity? One thing we can do to increase our immunity, I would say that you should remain positive. Nobody is going to live forever. Everybody is died. Today, some days back, my friend died. He was young enough, very beautiful, and completed MA English from my academy. He joined my classes and he died. What he has taken with him? Good deeds, good morality, whatever he taught, good thing, whatever he has done something or given some poor dues to the people. So this is what he has taken with him. And today one of my relative died. So very rich. If there is a possibility, they had to pay $1 million. They can even pay $1 million and take back this life. The life can never ever be bought. You can't purchase it from shop. You are only given it once. So use it properly. Help others, develop mind, teach some people, give them good philosophy, good morality, good religious knowledge, leave good impression behind so that people remember you with good name. So first of all, you should think that one day we have to die. As Bacon said, people fear from death as children go in the dark. So this pandemic has caused psychological disease as well. It's not like a disease like Black Death or like a swine flu or like these disease. These diseases were very dangerous. But now we have a pandemic. It can be controlled with certain precautions, certain SOPs, or by adopting certain precautions, we can just avoid from it. So very first thing that you should not compromise on your sleeping. Take proper sleep and proper diet. Proper sleep will give you good immunity. Eat good food. I'm not going to talk that you should eat all the day, you eat pizza or biscuit or the bakeries or like these things. Once you eat, your immunity system will go down. Include salad in your diet. Whenever you eat something, especially bread, include cucumber, tomato, or other vegetables in your, especially in your meals. Make it part of your meals, whether you are going for the lunch or the breakfast. Even at breakfast, I usually taking cucumbers and tomatoes and something like just chopping it, and after that I'm taking. So really, it's giving you good immunity system. And the other thing I want to say that junk food, too much consumptions of the coffees and the tea, it's also not good. Take it lightly, not all the day. And alcohols, which is, and beer, like, it's also very dangerous. And then you should not smoke too much. It is also going down, it's also going to reduce your immunity. And one thing more, be positive mind. If people are different from your idea, it's not your duty. You can present your idea in front of them, but it's not your duty to chase them, to be worried about their idea. They let them live with their idea. Every person is with his psychology, philosophy, his background, and that his psychology or philosophy or his reality, actual reality, ultimately based on his religious book, his idea, his knowledge, his background, socio-political background. You can't manipulate it. Once you try to manipulate it, you will be worried. So try to remain positive. With these people whom are having different idea, you are not going to kill them, rather you have to live with them. Here in this world, where we're living with a different idea, we're living with different idea, different background, different psychology, different sociologies, different socio-political background, and above all things, different attitudes. We have to manage it. If you want ideal or utopian world like Plato, then you have to go to heavens. Here people like that. They have a different idea, different approach. Even you do good, they will do bad with you, but you still have to accommodate. But one thing, be sure, one day all have to die. Once they will be under graveyard and you seeing the person is going, and you also have to go under graveyard, you will see that everything is just multiplied by 0 and the result is 0. So be positive. Be positive mind will give you good immunity system. Your immunity system, believe me, can break this coronavirus. God Almighty has already given power in your body, so your antibody will automatically kill it. Once you develop this immunity system, eat good fruit. You, rather than taking refined sugar, you should eat fruit. Like go to bazaar and buy fruit. Fruit is available. Eat it. Make it your habit. You are eating fruit daily. Do proper exercise. Avoid junk foods. Avoid refined sugars. Avoid taking tensions, and give other happiness. Once you do happiness, bring happiness for other, ultimately happiness will return to you. So be positive, take proper exercise, do not involve in negativity, avoid seeking out evil out of goodness. It's not our work, it's Saturn's work. Let Saturn do its work. It's not our work to seek out evil out of goodness. It was Saturn's work. It's not our work. Whatever other are doing, you are nothing to do with it. He will get its result. He or she will get its result. Why are you worried? So try to be positive. So this I have shown you, already I've shown you, this coronavirus, it has a structure. Once it's a structure, it's dangerous. Once it's broken, your antibody, your immunity system will automatically break it, and it will be no more harmful for us. So try to develop your immunity, and ultimately your immunity system can kill this and destroy this coronavirus. And try to make it your habit. Take proper exercise, take good vegetable, good fruits, avoid junk foods, refined sugars, especially the foods like burgers and biscuits and the bakery things like these are not pure, my dear. And very soon I'm going to create another video. How can you avoid these oils which are available? Without oil, how you are going to cook? I will let you know. Stay connected with our channel, the ESL Academy, and very soon I'm going to prepare very beautiful, very good video. This video will help you how can we avoid like these oils which are available in the bazaar. I'm not eating any oil. With the blessing of God, I'm smart enough. My weight is very proper, and health is quite good. So this is what you know, that I'm following some SOP as well as like, you know, oils. I'm avoiding all this. I'm not taking oil at all. So I will let you know how can you cook without even buying oils from the bazaar, you know, dalda and something like these oils are also not good. It's very dangerous for health. We have to avoid from all these oils as well. And I will let you know in next video how can we can cook without this oil. Stay blessed and have a nice time.